Welcome back. This is Elias sinkala. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Professor Elias sinkala. Please let's keep on exploring mathematics. It's quite interesting. Let's just to compare or what I was trying to say, what I was trying to talk about. The purpose of division algorithm. So the purpose of division algorithm. So having in front of me here my question, or having the document in front of me, this is partial fraction questions. So I'm trying by means to try to remarry what I'm talking about here, the purpose of division algorithm. Okay. So if you see very much purple, I told you to say you might be meeting some of the question in partial fraction, which is the denominator is smaller compared to the factor that is on top. So if you see very much properly, question 5 contains some of the factors, which is the factor that is on top is very much big compared to denominator. Very big compared to denominator. So I've got x to the power 2 plus x minus 6, that is the denominator. Then the up factors, I've got x squared plus 9x plus 8, which means the up factors are very much big compared to down one. So you have to use division algorithm to reduce the up factors to smallest, then you can go ahead with calculations. Then I've got x squared minus x minus 14. Again, it's big compared to the one to the down part. So you have to reduce it. To reduce the up part to its smallest, then you can go ahead in terms of what? Calculating. 7 also is one and the same. You have to reduce it. I think if you see the answers here, they're being expressed according to the way we expressed under the episode 1 when we look at partial fractions. So I'll try to answer question 7. Let me say to answer division algorithm, but not answering, but division algorithm, because there is a lot of bases that I'm trying to set so that to create broad of understanding or broad loom of understanding and catch up a lot of things. So I've got 3x squared minus 2x squared. 3x to the power 3 minus 2x squared minus 16x plus 20. Divide by x minus 2, x plus 2. So if you see very much properly, the down part is smaller compared to the up part. So what's going to happen here is this. We're going to do this the same. We have to reduce it into smallest part. So I'm going to reduce it. Here we go. So if you see very much properly here, it simply means this is different of two squares, of which means a plus b, a minus b. What is a times a? It is a squared. What is a times b? It is ab. What is b times a? It is ab. What is b times negative b? It is b squared. A squared minus a squared. So which is this, isn't it? Great. So this and this one and the same, because we'll be having, it's more like it's appearing in conjugate form, having the same numbers but different operating sign. So what's going to happen, it is same applies 3x to the power 3 minus 2x squared minus 16x plus 20, divide by a, it is 2, a it is x, so I put x squared, so I'm going to put x squared, minus, so b it is 2, I put 2 squared. So of which the same applies 3x cubed minus 2x squared minus 16x plus 20, divide by x to the power 2 minus 4. So this and this, it's one and the same. It's one and the same. Right? Great. Also, the same this, which is x minus 2, if I'm trying to convert it into quadratic equation, same applies, it will be x squared it will be x squared plus 0x minus 4. Isn't it? Yeah, of which this multiplying with this, again the same thing multiplying with this, again this multiplying with this multiplying with this. It is giving this. Let's go ahead. Which is what? Which is this? Let's go ahead. Of which you also to see the down one is smaller compared to the one which is up there. So what's going to happen? Comes here now, apply what you call division algorithm. So what's going to happen? We do this. So this one is going to be here, x squared minus 4. Then the one which is up supposed to be here, 3x to the power 3 minus 2x squared minus 16x plus 4 plus 20. Isn't it? Yeah. Now here we go. The same thing that we're doing. X squared into 3x cubed will remain 3x. Again, the same 3x multiplied with everything here. What is 3x times x squared? It is 3x cubed. What is 3x times negative 4? It is negative what? 12x. Yeah, that is 12x. Of which here now, try to compare what is here. I'm going to say plus 0x squared, which is nothing that is there. Then try to apply this one and put it here, which is negative 12x, so that you can add everything properly without any inconveniences. Isn't it? Yeah. So we drop this 20 down here, which is this 20. Then here I'm just putting x here, I'm putting 0. If there's nothing, I'm trying to maintain the positions there of numbers. Then now you can subtract 3x cubed minus 3x cubed, that is 0. Negative 2x squared minus 0x squared, that is what? That is 2x squared, isn't it? Negative 16x minus 12x, this same applies 16 minus negative 12. So negative 16, which is this, minus, which is this, negative 12, which is this. Of which sum applies 16, positive times negative times negative, that is positive 12. 16 plus 12, that is in negative 4. So here there is negative what? Negative 4x, isn't it? Great. So here you go. Again, x squared into negative 2x. That is negative what? X squared into negative 2x will remain with only 2. Right? Great. Then the same 2 multiply everything here. So negative 2 times x squared, that is 2x squared. Right? Great. So what's going to happen? What about here? I'm going to put 0x, right, to maintain. Negative 2 times negative 4, that is positive what? 8. So that I can maintain those that do not have their coefficients. So then I do what? I subtract. So this minus this gone. Negative 4x minus 0, that is negative what? 4x. 20 minus 8, that is what? Positive 12, isn't it? X squared into this, again that is indicator, going to have there reciprocal, which is what we go again to be bring back, we go again, so which means we're going to find ourselves here. So just forget about it. So if you in this case start finding that kind of numbers, just end there. Because if you say x squared into negative 4x, which means x is smaller, negative x squared, again it's down there, and that's the thing that we're looking for. So just end there. So what will be the expression now? The expression will be the same number which is here to be 3x minus 12, minus 2, this which is this, plus this one, the big one has been reduced to this one, so to be on top there, which to be negative 4x plus 12 divided by, you can just use the minus here. The down part which is x squared minus 4. So this is minus. This was our final or normal equation normal equation instead of what? Instead of this. So if you see very much properly, the final one is equivalent to this. If you see very much properly, the final one, same applies with what? With this. So you had the 3x minus 2, that's one I tried to find there. So at the mid there I had to put minus, or you can put positive minus 4x plus 12. So of which the down part there is x squared minus 4, which is same applies x minus 2, x plus 2. So in terms of calculating, I'm going to understand further more when start solving partial fractions exactly. By now we're trying to raise the basis. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you very much. It has been a pleasure moment with you. Thank you.